Let's compare alcohol inks on Grafix Dura-lar translucent film, polyester film, and Ranger's Yupo. Yupo is a synthetic paper, so it's a plastic paper. Both of them are non-porous surfaces, and both are really good for using with alcohol inks. So I have a couple of alcohol ink colors here. I'm using Pinata Brass as the metallic, and I'm using isopropyl alcohol to spread it around. Some metallics need the blender solution in order to spread around. Pinata Brass is totally fine with isopropyl alcohol and it works perfectly. So I'm putting a bunch of the colors down after spraying both surfaces with my isopropyl alcohol, and I'm using an alcohol ink blower tool in order to blow those alcohol inks around. As I'm working, I'll add some more metallic or alcohol ink or isopropyl depending on what's needed where, and then I'll just keep blowing it around with the blower tool. So the Dura-lar is actually a polyester film. It is, it looks kind of like vellum or parchment. It has that look to it, but it feels very, very smooth and very soft. For both of these, my intention is to probably use them to die cut for embellishments. I want to do some Christmas cards, I think, with them. And I love the Pinata Brass for that because even though gold is my least favorite metallic, this brass is beautiful because it doesn't have a yellow tone to it. So I absolutely love working with it. It's got a little bit more of a brassy tone, hence the name brass. But it's beautiful with these red and cranberry colors. And I think it's going to make some gorgeous embellishments once I'm completely done. I'll just keep using that blower tool. As the alcohol ink evaporates, you'll see that the inks flow a lot less than they did before when they were more fluid. And here is the result. I absolutely love both of these surfaces to work on, and I love the translucency you get from the Grafix Dura-lar film. It is absolutely stunning.